Okay guys, so before we get into the video, here are some of the winners from the last Threadbeast video. All they did was comment on some stuff they wanted, and I went ahead and picked them to get that stuff completely for free. So if you see your name right here, please DM me on Instagram at netflipsyt. I can get your address so I can get that stuff sent out to you. So I'm going to be doing that again in this video. If you see anything you like, please drop that down in the comments. Maybe I will pick you for the next giveaway. If you like the video, like it, please enjoy. No more talking, let's get into the video right now.
Yes, I did just make a video saying that will be my last Threadbeast video, and here I am with another Threadbeast box. So yes, something happened where I have this box, and I'm going to tell you what it is, what mistake I made, and what you need to avoid when you're trying to cancel your Threadbeast subscription. So no more waiting, let's just hop into the video right now. So yes, I did cancel Threadbeast. This is not a clickbait. The other video wasn't clickbait. I did cancel Threadbeast. The reason I have this box is because when I went to cancel my Threadbeast subscription, it was already going to renew on the next day. And because I did it on a Friday, because I did that, it wasn't able to cancel it in time before it got taken out of my account. So if you're trying to cancel Threadbeast, what you need to do, there's no way of going to your profile or going to your settings on your Threadbeast account and doing it from there. You have to call them, or you have to send them an email at cancellation@threadbeast.com. You're gonna have to talk to someone if you don't go through the email, but they're gonna try to convince you to stay and whatnot, which they did to me in the past. But make sure when you're going to cancel Threadbeast, when you call them, you either do it a week before. I would say just be safe, do it a week before your renewal date. Make sure you do it Monday through Friday so that you don't end up with another box at your doorstep and you're not confused and you're not down $91 from your account on that business day. So don't make the mistake I did. Here's another $90 essential box that, hey, we're gonna crack into. And just like the rest of those winners that we had in the beginning of the video, if there's anything in this box that I don't want, I'm going to give away. All you need to do to it is drop down in the comments what exactly you want from this box. And if I don't end up keeping it, I will pick you, or if there's a lot of people, I will do another raffle, sort of like randomized picking system. If there is another video with a box later in the future, it's only because I will receive like a free box from people using the referral link. If you use the referral link, thank you so much for using it. So yeah guys, I did actually cancel Threadbeast. It's not clickbait. The last video wasn't clickbait. It just happened to be that I didn't cancel it in time. So let's just open this up and see what's inside. Again, I'm not expecting much from this, but because I'm not expecting much, I bet there's some good stuff in here. I don't know why I have that feeling, but I just do. All right, I'm not even gonna do that to you guys this time. We're just gonna crack into it. Trying to go this as fast as I can. Oh, they put a little sticker on there this time, so I don't just rip it open. All right, let's grab the first thing. Oh, hold on. This is man. I got so hyped. I thought it was a beanie, man. I felt like wool. Man, that's some socks. This is why I canceled Threadbeast. This is why I got freaking socks. That was rude. Let me pick those up. But hey, we got some Puma socks. I'm gonna keep these. I'm not gonna be giving these away, but we got some Puma socks right here. Just some low cut socks. Sure. I mean, I'm not upset I got socks. I'm just upset I got socks in a $90 box. So that's why I'm upset. But let's keep going. Let's not waste our time on socks. This looks like Grizzly. I can already tell. Hey, this is not a bad shirt actually. I will give them this. I got a nice Grizzly shirt right here. I love the color. Nice little, what is that, teal? Is that looking like teal right there, or like what color is that? Yes, Grizzly tee by Grizzly, Grip Tape Grizzly, the company. Just another skateboarding brand. Nice little shirt right there. I am not bad about that. I actually would wear this, I'm not gonna lie, so far. But these socks, they gotta go. All right, what's next? Another shirt, and it just says bad news. It's not bad either. Don't tell me Threadbeast is gonna come with the sauce right now. Don't tell me Threadbeast is gonna come with some fire stuff right now. So this one says bad news. It's by a company named 10 Deep. If you guys know it, it's got a little, like, it's raining back here. It's raining with like that lightning bolt on the right there looks like a carrot, but that's just me. But that's not a bad shirt. It says bad news is raining. I get it. It's pretty dope. I hate to say that I like the shirt so far. I'm really upset by that. Something in here is gonna be whack. I promise you something's gonna be whack. look, I'm not gonna unfold this because I already know. Is it a short sleeve or a long sleeve? That's all I need to know. Oh, it's a short sleeve. Okay, that's not bad. If it was a long sleeve, it'd be here. But is plaid still in? I can't rock plaid. It just clashes against my skin or something. That's what I'm told. But a nice little plaid button up by Cutter & Buck. I'm sure it's a really nice shirt. I just wouldn't wear it. I don't wear button ups as much anymore unless they have like, just, you know, they're like for the beach or something. Drop that down in the comments if you want this Cutter & Buck plaid. It's a short sleeve like button up shirt. And the last thing, I think it's the last thing, is some more sweatpants. And no brand whatsoever. Oh, it is. Oh, it's Pink Dolphin sweatpants. That's not bad. And these are actually a little like looser. These are just like, let's run to the gas station real quick, because the other ones are kind of like sleek. They're really thick, but these are kind of loose. There's some Pink Dolphin gray sweatpants. Real quick, the shirts were larges. All the shirts are larges. That's my size in shirts. But these Pink Dolphin sweatpants, medium. This is a medium in these right here. So just some gray sweatpants by Pink Dolphin. I like the subtlety of the Pink Dolphin logo right there. But yeah, if you guys think that was worth the essential package is now $95, I'm told, or not. I'm told. I saw it on the website. I'm still getting charged $90, like $85. There's $91 after tax. But yeah, I got these sweatpants, this shirt, these two shirts, this grizzly shirt, and this black one, and one pair of socks. It's like one pair. It's like, I'm glad they gave me like Puma socks. It wasn't like some like Gildan type of black, just random black socks. But I don't know. You guys let me know if it was worth the $91 of getting charged again for this box. Again, if you want anything from this box, drop that down in the comments. Just to let you know, don't make my mistake. If you're trying to cancel Threadbeast, you're going to have to call that number. You're going to have to email that email to try and get it canceled before your renewal date. Make sure you try to do it between the week, because if you try to do it on the weekend, it's still going to take take your money out from your account on the renewal date, which is that next business day on Monday, like it did to me. I'm not really upset about it. I'm not going to wear this. I'll probably end up wearing the socks. Maybe the sweatpants, definitely the shirts. I mean, it wasn't a bad box. Again, the boxes aren't bad. It's just everything. You're not gonna like everything. You gotta expect that. And of course, they don't know who you are. Like I've said in many videos, they're not gonna know who you are. You're not gonna love everything. So as long as you're getting the value in the box, I think it's fine. I'm sure, like retail wise, this is worth the 90 something dollars. But yeah, it is what it is. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, if you like anything, make sure to comment down below so I can pick you if you want something. Make sure to follow me on Instagram right here at NetFlipsYT. Remember to flip that trash into cash. And as always, I will see you on the next one.